My name is Kuniyoshi Ohtawara, chef of Hokkai. Everybody call me Kuni. Today, I'm working with Chef Rix to share my Japanese culinary experience to you. I've been in the Netherlands for almost 20 years. I want to communicate with you through my Japanese cooking experience. Most of the people think Japanese cooking is difficult, but it's not have to be. I'm going to help you to get familiar with Japanese cooking using local ingredients, local fish in season. My restaurant is in Imalden. We can get really fresh fish from directly fish auction. It's really big advantage for me, so we can get best fish in the Netherlands. I'm really happy chef. So in this masterclass, I'm going to teach you Japanese 5 basic cooking techniques: cutting, grilling, deep frying, simmering, and steaming. With these 5 techniques, you can easily cook Japanese dish at home. So these recipes I make today, you can find these recipes from my cooking book. So let's start cooking.